Guys, before we get into today's video, I gotta open up a very special package from my buddy Matt over at the Billet Pro Shop. They also have a sister shop called the Tie Shop, which I'm gonna link down in the description below, but let's check out what they sent me. So guys, like I said, thetieshop.com. This is a sister company of the Billet Pro Shop. Billet Pro Shop, BOFab, they actually are the ones that put together a single turbo kit, and I've actually recommended a few people get that single turbo kit because they're one of the first companies to actually make a single turbo kit for the 2018. If you guys don't know, mine is actually a custom single turbo kit, but BOFab now actually makes a really cool single turbo kit for these cars. But anyways, the Tie Shop actually sent me these wheel studs. I currently have the ARP ones because these obviously weren't out at the time, because these I needed for open-ended lug nuts for the weld wheels, and these are ½ inch longer. So when you do aftermarket wheels with open-end lugs, you obviously want a longer wheel stud just for safety purposes. So I have those on the front and the back. Well, these are actually titanium. Check these out. I'm gonna try and open one of these so you guys can just see the quality of these. But these are titanium, so they're lighter than the factory wheel studs, and they're ½ inch longer, and they're actually just as strong. So let's open one of these up so you guys can see them. Just how light these are, and they're black, so they're gonna look super good coming out of the weld wheels, and they're titanium, and they're ½ inch longer, and they're just as strong as the stock wheel studs. So I'm gonna get all these ARP ones switched out for these super nice Tie Shop titanium ones, and they're black, so I think they're gonna look really good because these are like a gold color, and they're really ugly with the black wheels. So like I said, if you guys want to pick these up, you can go to thetieshop.com. I'll actually link them in the description below. If you guys have any questions, you can hit up Matt from the Tie Shop, and he can answer any of that stuff for you. But like I said, there's Billet Pro Shop, and then there's the Tie Shop. They're pretty much the same company. They work together. But like I said, you guys got to check them out. Super nice. If you guys need any other titanium hardware stuff, they actually make titanium bolts for literally everything. So if you're a big weight guy like myself and Joe, you could literally switch out every bolt on your car to titanium. We can't take this today. We're gonna need the truck for this one. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. If you know by the title of the video what we're doing, just hold on because we're about to be there in just a second. I'm really excited for this. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and I kind of just found the right car to do it with. And there's many reasons why I want this specific car, because you guys are probably wondering, like, hey, don't you already have that car? Well, you're gonna find out exactly why I want this car and why I want to do to this car. So we are headed over to Copart. I didn't even know we had a Copart, which is awesome. It's actually not that far from the house. I think it's like 5-10 minutes. So got some gas in the truck, got some caffeine. We are headed over to Copart. Let's check this car out. All right, guys, so we had to switch to the phone. They don't allow you to take pictures, so. And I have no idea where this car is, and it's kind of windy out here, so just bear with me. We're gonna try and find the car we are looking for, as they do not know where it is. So we're just gonna take a look around, see if we can find it. Nice little Mustang here, except it's a V6. Comes with an Optima though. Nice interior, look at that leather. Ooh. Alright guys, like I said, it's windy out. They wouldn't let me bring my camera, so we're on the phone. I have located the car. You ready to see it? I'm excited. I'm super excited. Man, it looks pretty good actually. You guys are gonna want to see this. Ready? Alright guys, here it is. Crimson red 2018 Mustang GT. It's an MT82 car, so it's a 6-speed manual. It's premium, it's got leather, it's got the nice screen in it. It's got performance pack. Look Look at the nice performance pack wheels. And obviously it's got the nice Brembos in the front. The car is in not that bad of shape. It was in a front end collision. The frame looks pretty good on this side. And the frame actually looks good on this side. It's kind of hard to tell. No, it doesn't look bent back there either. Obviously, upper fender supports are bent a little bit, but the frame itself doesn't look bent. Obviously, the front bumper crash bar is bent. Obviously needs a new bumper, new radiator support, radiator, probably AC, condenser, all that stuff in the front probably needs to be replaced. But fenders actually look really good. That fender has a slight bend to it, but actually the fender is not bad at all on that side. This fender's in really good condition too, so really the bumper, the hood, the front bumper crash beam, obviously it's gonna need new headlights, new plastics up front, but look at the rest of the car. Got a flat tire in the back. Just look at it, man. It is in really good condition. Obviously, interior is perfect besides the steering wheel because the airbag did come out. Now, this car, they did say it can run. So this car does run. You can actually start it up. Look at that performance pack wing on there. Super good looking car. Man, it is in such good condition. Oh, I love that crimson red. I've always wanted this color. I love this color. Such a good looking car. But yeah, look from the back. I mean, you literally can't even tell it was in an accident. This wheel's in good shape. This tire's in good shape. This wheel's in good shape. This tire's in good shape. Like I said, guys, really just the front end needs to be replaced. It's honestly not even that bad. I wonder if we can open the hood. Hood might be messed up. Oh, look, there we go. So there you go. Not sure what that noise is going on over there, but there you go. Gen 3 Coyote, completely stock airbox. Looks like there's stock headers down there. Car hasn't been touched at all. Looks like there's like a little bit of oil residue on the cover, but that could just be from someone filling up the oil and spilling. It's even still got the sound tube. This car looks like it was completely stock, like no one messed with it. Super nice car. It's probably unlocked too. Oh yeah. So it looks like it came from Oklahoma, or at least it was bought in Oklahoma. But look at the interior, man. It's so nice. These premium seats are in mint condition. This car is literally mint. So like I said, it does start up. I guess if you bring a jumper box, you can start it. I didn't bring one, but man, it's so nice. MT82. Probably just have to replace the clutch forks because I'd be banging gears in this thing. But look how mint this car is. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. And I absolutely love the color. And there's no, obviously the paint is super dirty, but there's no huge like scratches or dents in the car. Like on the side, the body lines are still perfect. Obviously, it's gonna need a good paint correction, but look at that. Still perfectly mint on the outside. This car is in really good condition. This would not be a bad car to put together at all. Literally just replaced the whole front end. You wouldn't even have to replace the fenders. And this car is back to a complete perfect daily driver. So I'm gonna go see what's going on with the bid on this because I read online and I guess the bid wasn't quite live yet. I thought it had already started, so I really am interested in this car. I want to see what we can get it for. Guys, sorry for the wind noise out there. They wouldn't let me film. Obviously, it's Copart. I guess they don't want you taking like any photos or anything. You can only use what they have online, but I did have my phone on me, so I did film some. That car was in really good condition, so my only fear is that that car is going to go for a lot more than probably what I can budget for it because there's really not that much damage to it. It only has like 25,000 miles. It's an MT82 car. It's a premium. It's got the performance pack on it. It's in super good condition. Literally all it would need is a new front bumper support, radiator support, headlights, which headlights obviously on these new Mustangs are super expensive, but front bumper, hood, probably a couple little small odds and ends in the front end, like the little plastic trays and stuff, but that's all that car would need. It's in really good condition. It needs one new tire. The wheels were in really good condition. Even the fenders weren't messed with. There was the one driver's side fender that had like a little bump to it, but nothing major. That could easily be fixed. So actually, that car, I didn't know. I thought it was in auction right now. It's actually not in auction. They've had the car for 4 weeks and they're waiting on Texas, the state of Texas, to send them the title. So they said it could take another 2 to 4 weeks. So really, I have it in my watch list on the copart.com app, and I'm just pretty much watching it. I didn't know that until I got here because I've never done this. So they kind of explained it to me, but that car, they're just waiting on the title, and then they can actually start the live auction. So I am going to bid on the car. I'm really hoping I can get it, but I don't have a very high budget for it. So I'm not quite sure. I'm not 100% sure I'm going to get the car. However, I'm going to really try. So hopefully you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Hopefully you guys share this video. Hopefully share it with a friend, share it with somebody, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, because the more likes and views we can get on this video, the bigger chance we have to get the car, guys. So hopefully, I really want that car. I've always wanted a crimson red. Obviously, I'm not going to go buy a brand new Mustang. I think this would be a good project. There's a few reasons why I want this car, and I actually don't want to talk about them quite yet. I want to talk about that in another video, but I think that car would be an awesome addition to the channel, guys. Another 2018 Mustang GT. However, this one's a manual. Since I already have an auto car, I already have a single turbo car, we'll do this one completely different. I'll have this one probably a little bit more on the street, and then we can leave the Tang-Stang more to the track stuff. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in me rebuilding that car, picking this car up, please comment down below. Please like the video. Please share it. Subscribe to the channel. And you guys let me know down below what you would do to that car, because I'm telling you, it wouldn't take that long to rebuild that car. There's not that much damage to it. It would be an easy fix, probably a couple of weeks, including paint, which means we could get it right on the road. We could get right to modifying it. So, like I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Comment down below what we should do. Should the Tang-Stang have a friend, crimson red? I'll see you guys on the next one.
They got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them.